green light from the SEC, and a massive step forward for Stellar XLM. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has officially approved the inclusion of Stellar XLM in the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto ETF and SOL, making it one of the very few altcoins, alongside XRP and SOL, now part of a U.S.-regulated crypto fund. This isn't just another crypto headline, it marks a historic moment, the first institutional bridge connecting Wall Street capital to the $61 billion cross-border payments industry powered by blockchain. For years, institutional investors were limited to Bitcoin and Ethereum because of strict SEC restrictions. But under the new generic listing standards, funds that meet certain compliance rules can now be approved in as little as 75 days, opening the door for more diversified crypto exposure. That's exactly what Hashdex did. In June, the Nasdaq Crypto Index and SOL quietly expanded its composition to include XLM, XRP, SOL, and ADA. At the time, the ETF could only track those assets synthetically through Bitcoin and Ethereum weighting. Now, with SEC's official green light, Hashdex can directly hold these assets inside its ETF portfolio. For Stellar, this is a monumental validation. A project long focused on real-world utility and global remittance, Stellar has finally stepped onto the same regulatory stage as XRP, both designed for payments, both now legally recognized by U.S. markets. It's also a sign of a broader shift. Institutional players, from pension funds to major asset managers, can now access altcoins like XLM and XRP through traditional brokerage accounts. No need for private keys, exchanges, or crypto wallets. Just Wall Street money flowing straight into digital assets. Market reaction came fast. Within hours of the SEC approval, XLM's trading volume spiked and price momentum flipped bullish, hovering around the 39-40 cents range. Analysts note that if Stellar can break above 42 cents, it could target 50 cents and beyond. But even more important than short-term moves, this is long-term legitimacy. For investors, this means the Stellar network, once seen as a niche remittance blockchain, is now entering the world of regulated, institutionally held assets. It's no longer a speculative corner of crypto. It's becoming part of the global financial system. The message from Wall Street is clear. Bitcoin opened the door, Ethereum built the foundation. Now, Stellar, XRP, and Solana are walking through, carrying real-world utility into the regulated world of traditional finance. And for Stellar, this may just be the beginning of its brightest chapter yet.